But since I started using that glasses for just after the first week, my vision became very clear. The pains, that blurry thing ended. Even when I went to when they checked, they said those nerves and those nerves that were damaged are now okay and all that. I see clearly now, like clearly. Telling you, just for 2 weeks. So yeah, glaucoma, yeah. And that glaucoma I've suffered as I've had that glaucoma for years since 1999. In 2008, when I was in Malaysia, when I was in my fellowship then, doctor told me I was going to go blind after 10 years. So I used faith. I said no. I used faith, being a medical doctor too. And but just because of the sun in Dubai and everything, my dear, I was literally losing my sight. Since I started using these glasses, these glasses is a miracle wonder. I have a friend. We're all in the same church. She's having excruciating pains and her eyes are going blurry. She came. I gave her the glasses. I told her I use it for 5 hours. She used the glasses for 5 hours. I gave her my spray bottle to spray in her eyes. She brought it back at night, telling me that her eyes are okay, that she doesn't need any form of treatment again, that she cannot see clearly, the double vision and everything stopped. I told her she needs it, so she'll get it as well. We were sleeping with it the first week. The first week, my mother will shout, I said, Mama, leave me alone, please. This thing that I've seen now that is working.